Hello, everyone. Welcome to the Data.Census.gov training provided by the Tribal Epidemiology Center at the Intertribal Council of Arizona. My name is Dr. Jonathan Davis, and I am hoping to provide you a helpful series of tutorial videos that will allow you to get access to census data, to American Community Survey data that you can use for your projects, that you can use to explore communities that you work with or that you represent, and that you need for your reports or that you need for your funding. As many of you probably already know, the previous data site was American Fact Finder, but that was discontinued at the end of March 2020, and now the vast majority of the census data information is now provided and migrated to Data.Census.gov. So I'm hoping that this will be a good introduction, a good resource for you to collect the necessary data, demographic data, housing data, population data that you need for your work. Please don't hesitate to reach out if you have any questions. Again, Jonathan Davis, and my email is jonathan.davis@itcaonline.com. And I hope that you find the following tutorial videos helpful. This is my contact information if you have any questions about these videos.